All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. So today I've got something from Japan. This is a Japan Ramen Box, a subscription box that came to me thanks to them. And, well, what do you think, Mimi? Should we crack it open?
Okay.
All right, let's do it. And here we are. So what's underneath this? What do you think?
Strawberries.
You think there's strawberries under here? It's possible. Wow, very well packed. Wow, lots of stuff here.
Wow.
In this box, it appears there's no information sheet, so I'm gonna have to kind of wing it. We've got a bowl from New Touch. It looks good. I really don't know what's in it. Usually what they do is they have a page that has information about a link that you can go to, a PDF, and you can find all the stuff that they're gonna ship out in that PDF. So I've got an old one, so I'll be able to look through that and get more information, but right now I don't know what these are for the most part. Definitely some kind of shio bowl. You'll notice from the blue color, it's probably shio. It could be a chanpon. I really don't know. This one I believe they sent in the past and it was absolutely fantastic. This was a tonkatsu from Myojo. I believe I reviewed this very long time ago. I believe this is by Suneyoshi.
No.
I've reviewed this one too. This is a very fancy Sapporo Ichiban variety. I don't believe I've seen this before. The brand is Tateyama. I don't know what the variety is. And this is a Cup Noodles Nice. Cup Noodle Nice has been on the top 10 cups list before, and it's really nice, but I don't know which one this is. This could be the pork shoyu. This could be something else, so I guess we'll see. Did you have fun looking at noodles? Did you have fun making noise? Yes and yes. Well, if you want to get one of these, you can go to JapanRamenBox.com and check them out. They've got boxes you can get. You're being awfully loud. This is like your first return to video in like a year. And you're not in your... Yeah, that's me. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans and this has been...
Mimi.
Enjoy your noodles every day. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.